What's up, you guys? Jason here from RPM. Today I've got an awesome new product for you guys. We've been killing it and working real hard on the Can-Am X3 intercoolers. It was time we turned our attention back to the XP turbos and the Turbo Pro Polarises. I'm talking about the Polaris Turbo Intercooler. This is our intercooler. It's a larger core, flows more air. But more importantly, it doesn't break like the stock Polaris one. Google it, Polaris Turbo Intercooler failure. They're everywhere. This is a factory intake from the Polaris. This is the same one on the XPTs and Pros. What happens is the core separates on the factory intercooler. It's water cooled. It has coolant inside of it. It cracks, fills the intake, feeding the intake a bunch of coolant or water, and you're gonna hydrolock the motor. If you're spinning enough RPMs when it happens, you're gonna throw a rod. Happens all the time. This is not just preventative, but if you already had a failure, it's time to upgrade. Stock intercoolers are like $480. These intercoolers, $624.95. RPMSidebyside.com. They're on Amazon, they're on eBay, they're available from any of our dealers. This is the fix that a lot of guys have been waiting for. Super affordable, drop-in OEM replacement. Check it out. New hardware, doesn't seem like much. These are a larger flange. It's gonna create more clamping force than the stock hardware, and they're locking. So once they're tightened, they lock into the aluminum real hard, and that's it. You're gonna get 10 bolts to replace all your factory stuff. This is a simple replacement. The factory intercooler is located right back in there, essentially behind the stock muffler shield. Pull the muffler off, pull the shield off, the mounts, the intercooler is laying there. You don't have to pull the bed, you don't have to do anything. The Pros, even easier on the Pros to replace. No special clamps, no special tools. Undo your factory ones, slide the hose off, slide them right back on. It's easy as that. RPM intercoolers for the Polaris turbos and Pros. Beautiful. Get yourself one at rpmsidebyside.com or any of our dealers. All right, guys, thanks for watching the video. As always, if you haven't checked out our new 3-inch E-valve, heard about it, seen it, been on the website, you definitely need to. These things are hot.